Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore webinar to sales with WebinarJam follow-up automation, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WebinarJam account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the webinar you wish to automate follow-ups for. Click on the webinar title to access its settings. Scroll down to the Automations section. Select Add Automation to create a new follow-up sequence. Choose the type of follow-up you want to configure, such as email reminders or sales notifications. For email reminders, specify the time frame for sending these emails, such as 1 hour or 1 day before the webinar. Enter the subject line for your reminder email. Craft the body of the email, ensuring it includes important details like the webinar date, time, and registration link. For sales notifications, select the appropriate trigger for when these emails should be sent. Consider sending a follow-up email immediately after the webinar ends. Design this email to recap the webinar highlights and include a call to action for your product or service. Personalize your follow-up emails using the attendee's name or other relevant information to increase engagement. Ensure you set the correct time frame for each email to optimize open rates. Preview your emails to confirm that all links and formatting are correct. Once you are satisfied with the emails, click Save to finalize your automations. To ensure everything runs smoothly, send a test email to yourself to review the content. After confirming that the test email looks good, return to the automation settings. Monitor the Analytics section of WebinarJam to track engagement metrics once your follow-up emails are sent. Use this data to adjust your follow-up strategy for future webinars. Continue to improve your content based on feedback and performance metrics for better results in subsequent campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.